In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Android apps on Windows 11. As you may know, there are a few ways to do this, but one of the most effective and user-friendly methods is by using an Android emulator. Emulators are fantastic tools that allow you to install and run Android apps directly from your Windows machine, providing a seamless experience that feels almost native. Now, there are several popular Android emulators to choose from, such as BlueStacks, LD Player, and Nox Player. Each of these emulators has its unique features and benefits, but the basic setup process is pretty similar across the board. So let's walk through the steps you need to take to get started. First, you're going to want to download and install an emulator of your choice. You can find these by searching for them online and downloading them directly from their official websites. During the installation, make sure you're following the prompts carefully. Sometimes emulators might offer additional software packages during the installation. Be vigilant about unchecking any options that you don't find necessary. Once you've successfully installed the emulator, the next step is launching it. Open the emulator and you'll see it looks quite similar to how an Android device would appear. The next task is to sign in with your Google account. This step is crucial because it allows you to access the Google Play Store within the emulator, which is your gateway to all those Android apps. If you don't have a Google account yet, you can create one during this process. After signing in, the Google Play Store icon should become visible within your emulator interface. Click on this and you'll be transported to the familiar app marketplace. From here, it's just like using an Android device. Use the Google Play Store's search bar to look up your desired app by name. Once you find it, click on Install to download it onto the emulator. Remember that some apps may take longer to download, depending on their size and your internet connection speed. Once installed, these apps will be accessible directly from the emulator's home screen, just as they would on an Android phone or tablet. This setup offers a great way to enjoy Android exclusives or test Android apps from your Windows PC without needing an extra Android device. The beauty of using an emulator is its flexibility. Whether you're looking to play Android games, use productivity apps, or test apps if you're a developer, emulators bridge the gap between mobile and desktop seamlessly. And there you have it, a complete guide to installing and running Android apps on Windows 11 through an emulator. I hope you find this method straightforward and helpful. Thanks for watching and happy app exploring on your freshly Android-enabled Windows 11.